Hey guys, welcome back to NobleMind Cast. I'm Nova.
And I'm Alex. Welcome.
Okay, so today I have to tell you something. Last week I went to a restaurant. I was so hungry, but when the waiter came, I froze. I didn't know what to say. So I just pointed at the menu like a baby.
You pointed? At what?
At a picture of pasta. The waiter said, "Would you like the pasta?" And I just said, "Yes, thank you." That was it. I felt so silly.
All right, today we're going to fix that. No more pointing, no more freezing.
Yes, please, teach me. What do I say when the waiter comes?
First, the waiter will say, "Welcome. Are you ready to order? Or what can I get for you today?"
Okay, what do I say if I'm not ready?
Say, "Can I have a few more minutes, please?" That's polite. They will come back.
Can I have a few more minutes, please? Okay, good.
Yes. And when you're ready, say, "I'd like the pasta, please." Or, "I'll have the chicken sandwich."
I'd like the pasta, please. That sounds much better than pointing.
Yes, much better. Good.
What if I want to ask what is in the dish?
Say, "What comes with the pasta?" Or, "Does this have nuts? I have an allergy."
What comes with the pasta? Does this have nuts? Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Now, what if you want to change something? Like no onions or extra cheese?
Yes, I don't like onions.
Say, "Can I have the pasta without onions, please?" Or, "Can I add extra cheese?"
Can I have the pasta without onions, please? Can I add extra cheese? All right, good.
Perfect. Now, what if the waiter asks, "How would you like your steak?" Or, "How would you like your eggs?"
Oh, I never know what to say.
For steak, say "medium, please," or "well done, please." For eggs, say "scrambled," "fried," or "poached."
Medium, please. Scrambled, please. Okay, already learning.
Good. Now, what if your food takes too long?
I just wait. I don't say anything.
You can say, "Excuse me, is my order almost ready?" That's polite, not rude.
Excuse me, is my order almost ready? Okay, that's good.
Yes. And what if the food is wrong? They bring you a burger, but you ordered a salad.
I just eat the burger. I don't want to cause trouble.
No, you paid for the salad. Say, "Excuse me, I ordered the salad, not the burger."
Excuse me, I ordered the salad, not the burger. That feels rude.
It's not rude, it's honest. The waiter will say, "I'm sorry, let me fix that." Then you say, "Thank you, no problem."
Okay, thank you, no problem.
All right. Now, what if you want more water or more bread?
I just wait. Already said that.
Yes, but you can say, "Can I have some more water, please?" Or, "Can I get more bread?"
Can I have some more water, please?
"Can I get more bread?"
Okay, good.
Perfect. Now, at the end, you need to pay. The waiter will ask, "Are you ready for the check?"
What is check?
The bill. The paper that shows how much money you need to pay.
Okay,
So I say, "Yes, please." Or, "Can I have the check, please?" Yes. Good. And if you want to split the bill with friends, say, "Can we split the check, please?" Can we split the check, please? Already. My friends always ask me to pay. Not anymore. Now you know. Okay, let's do a role play. You be the waiter.
All right. Welcome to our restaurant. Are you ready to order? Can I have a few more minutes, please? Yes, of course. Take your time. Okay, I'm ready. I'd like the pasta, please. What comes with the pasta? It comes with a salad and garlic bread. Good choice. Can I have the pasta without onions, please? And can I add extra cheese? Yes, no problem. Anything else? No, thank you. That's all. Great. Your food will be ready soon. Thank you. See? Easy. You didn't point at anything. Yes, no pointing. Good. All right, let's do a quick recap. Yes, please. Number 1, if you need time, say, "Can I have a few more minutes, please?" Can I have a few more minutes, please? Okay. Number 2, when you're ready, say, "I'd like the pasta, please." I'd like the pasta, please. Yes. Number 3, to change something, say, "Can I have it without onions?" Or "Can I add extra cheese?" Can I have it without onions? Can I add extra cheese? All right. Number 4, if the food is wrong, say, "Excuse me, I ordered the salad, not the burger." Excuse me, I ordered the salad, not the burger. Good. Number 5, to pay, say, "Can I have the check, please?" Can I have the check, please? Thank you. Perfect. You're ready. No more pointing at pictures. Thank you, Alex. This was so helpful. Welcome. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe to NobleMind Cast. I'm Nova. I'm Alex. Keep growing your mind. Bye.